Hello friends, let's do science experiments. Our science experiment is how many drops can we stack on a coin. So we need syringe, water and coin. Place a coin on a table. Holding the syringe close to the coin, carefully squeeze drops on the coin one at a time. Count the number of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Stop squeezing when the water breaks and starts to overflow. Your score is the number of drops that coin can hold before it overflows. My score is 58. What is your score? Did you see the coin can stack a lot of water? That's the science behind this experiment. Molecules hold each other very tightly, especially the surface molecules. When you add drops of water on a coin, because of surface tension, water does not overflow and stack up. Hi friends, I will be back with more science experiments. Hope you like my video.